Hello, this is a short video presentation on graphing using slope-intercept. Yesterday, when we graphed, we identified the slope and the y-intercept. Y-intercept being where we cross the y-axis. Y-intercept is where a line crosses the y-axis. The y-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. B is the y-intercept. B is the y-intercept. And m is the slope. Your equations should always be written in this form, y equals mx plus b. So to graph, the steps are very simple. 1, solve for y, just like we did yesterday. Solve for y. Then we identify the y-intercept. Identify y-intercept. I abbreviate INT. We identify the slope. Identify slope. And then we go up and over, and you'll see what I mean. Up and over. And then go backwards. Go down and over. We want an accurate graph. And on your test, you will be graded on accuracy. And on this Friday's quiz. So, let's begin. Graph 2x plus 3y equals 6. So we solve for y, minus 2x minus 2x, and we get 3y equals negative 2x plus 6. Don't skip steps. We divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3, and y is equal to negative 2/3 x plus 2. So let's draw a graph, and then we will go through the steps the rest of the way. All right, here's my graph. And I identify my scale on the x and y axis. My y-intercept is 2, so I put a mark there. I've never been able to draw nice little circles here, dots. My y-intercept is there, and my slope is up to left 3. So remember, the negative y's goes up top, but we went up to left 3, make a dot. And then I said, the next step, go down, and I misspelled it, over. So we go down 2 and right 3. Down 2, right 3. And we draw our line. But if we wanted to, we could continue the pattern up to left 3, down to right 3. You could continue that as much as possible. And then we draw our line. So I'm going to start here and draw my line, and actually I'm going to even go farther. This pattern continues. Down 2 over, down 2 over, down 2 over. All right? And we're done. Let's do one more. Let's graph 2x plus y equals 8. Solve for y, minus 2x minus 2x. Y equals negative 2x plus 8. I'm now going to draw my graph. I've drawn my graph. I need to identify my scale, 1, 1. And my slope is -2, but it's -2 over 1. So now I have to find 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's where I start. I don't have room to go up and left, so I can't go up and left, but I can go down right, down to right 1, down to right 1, down to right 1, down to right 1. I don't have to draw the lines. And I don't know what that mark was. I don't understand that. Down to right 1, and down to right 1, down to right 1. I can keep going forever. And now I'm going to draw my line. And my line goes like that. Down to right 1, down to right 1, and so on. Lastly, if I ask you to graph y equals x, or y equals -x, here the slope, m, is 1 over 1, and the y-intercept, b, not sure what that was, b is equal to 0. Here the slope is -1, -1 over 1, and the y-intercept is 0. So if there's no y-intercept shown, it's 0. If you can't see a coefficient, the slope is 1, or if it's negative, -1. All right, today we will be graphing only using slope-intercept. And you should find it very, very easy to do. All right, I hope this makes some sort of sense for you. Please print the assignment. It will make it much, much easier. And have a great day.